In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to loop an animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your animation or clip in the timeline. If you're planning to loop a specific section of your clip, you'll need to trim it to the desired length. Move the playhead to where you want the loop to start and trim the clip accordingly. Once you have the section you want to loop, select the clip by clicking on it. Then right-click on the clip and choose Pre-Compose. When the Pre-Compose window pops up, make sure to leave all attributes in the current composition and then click OK. This will create a new composition with just your selected clip. Next, right-click on the pre-composed layer and select Time. Then click on Enable Time Remapping. This will allow us to manipulate the timing of the clip. You'll notice that keyframes have been added at the start and end of your clip in the timeline. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip and make sure there's a keyframe there. Then, move the playhead to where you want the loop to end and add a second keyframe. These keyframes define the start and end of the loop. If your clip was part of a larger one and you've trimmed it, you may have additional keyframes outside of your selected loop. You can delete those extra keyframes to keep your loop clean and focused on the section you want to repeat. Now, with the playhead still on the last keyframe of your loop, press and hold the Alt key if you're using Windows or the Option key on a Mac. While holding the key, click the stopwatch icon next to Time Remap. This will open an area for expressions. In the Expressions field, click the small play icon to open the menu. Go down to Property and select Loop Out Duration. This tells After Effects to loop the animation within the duration you've set between the keyframes. Once you've done that, click out of the code area, and your animation will now loop continuously within the time range you defined. And that's it. You've successfully created a looping animation in After Effects.